Hi, I'm Cory,
I'm Drew,
and we own Crew Electrical Services.
here in sunny Calgary, Alberta.
First job out of high school was framing houses. I was up on a wall looking at these guys drinking coffee down at this gray box, and I looked over at my boss and said, "What are those guys?" And they said, "Those are the electricians." And from there on out, that's exactly what I knew what I wanted to do.
Cory, being a great communicator and easy to talk to, has sold me on starting my own business and getting out of working for someone else.
We both started in our own separate businesses, but very quickly realized that it was easier to combine forces. My weaknesses are Drew's strengths, just like Drew's weaknesses are my strengths, and it was pretty natural for us to kind of come together and work together.
Early challenges were definitely building a clientele and coming up with cash to buy things that we needed out of the gate. Cory and I started with nothing but a $30,000 credit card to fund it, and after that we bootstrapped from there on out.
We were very good electricians, but we knew nothing about the business aspect, how to job cost, how to lead a successful team, and that was something that we definitely struggled with at the beginning.
I think the breaking point for us was when it felt like the inmates were running the asylum, and we did not have control over the field staff. We didn't have control over the clients, the invoicing, and it felt like we weren't going to be able to grow this thing much further than what it was, and we'd still be doing absolutely everything. First time I heard about Breakthrough Academy was on Tommy Mello's podcast, Driving, and it came right at a point in time where we were beating our head against the wall and realized that there maybe was somebody that could help us and actually was tailored to contractors. So when we joined Breakthrough Academy, we were doing about $2.2 million in revenue, and we were working 50 to 60 hours a week in and on the business.
After being in the program for 2 years, we've grown our revenue to about $4.25 million this year with about 18 staff, and I'm working about 36 to 40 hours a week. Breakthrough Academy has helped us with our goal setting and review, setting a budget, and implementing our standard operating procedures.
GSRs are goal setting and review, and we do these with all our key field staff.
GSRs have definitely helped us out with internal communication with our team.
Our technicians really crave structure and communication with GSRs. It gives them the ability to form fill all their information they have of any existing job and be able to communicate to their manager clearly and concisely.
Before setting a budget, it was absolute chaos. We didn't know if we had enough money to pay the suppliers, or if we can get the materials next month, or if we can make payroll. Setting the budget has really made us a lot more calm and understanding of cash flows and the ebbs and flows of running a business.
Having a budget's helped us realize when expenses are getting over what we had budgeted for and that we should maybe make changes inside the company. If anything, it's created a clear roadmap for us on decision making and revenue goals.
SOPs are standard operating procedures, so they're a written document that the employees can refer to at any point in time if they do have any questions on common things that we run into, like van maintenance, ways to approach customers, what to do in an emergency situation.
SOPs also create consistency on training new field staff members, as well as be able to provide refreshing information to existing field staff.
Next steps for Crew is to continue to hone our processes and get ourselves in a position where we can expand into the HVAC field.
After joining BTA, we had the ability to hire a full-time estimator, a full-time office administrator, and a project manager that we did not have in place before. It was Cory and I doing all those things.
Since joining Breakthrough Academy, I'm not nearly as stressed out as I was before, and I mean, that's the only metric that really matters to me at the end of the day. Get a coach, get into the community, start working on your business, not in your business.